Friends, Vande Matram. Do you know why, apart from Gayatri Mantra, no other mantra can help in attaining Siddhi on the path of salvation? Dear friends, to solve this curiosity, we can say that Siddhi can be attained through other mantras also, but it seems very difficult because all those mantras have been said for the worship of the gods. The reason for this is that if an attempt is made to make the Ganga flow in the opposite direction, then it deviates from its path. We can understand this by a simple example. If we send water upwards, then we will have to apply a lot of pressure and stop the leakages. Then it will go up, and after that it will come down, and if this water is poured from above, then it will come down easily. The same is the case with knowledge. If an attempt is made to understand knowledge by getting involved in various opinions, logic, scriptural evidence, etc., in actions, etc., then it gets deviated. Sometimes in rituals, sometimes in the opinions of scholars, sometimes in pure and impure, sometimes in right and wrong, and the intellect will get disturbed, which is called Shruti Vipratipanna in the Gita. Therefore, Lord Krishna started his sermon with the sermon of the immortality and agelessness of the soul and simplified the mystery of birth and death by saying Vasansi Jirnani Yatha Vihai. When he saw in the first chapter that his dear friend Arjun, due to his various types of hard knowledge, was considering duty as non-duty and non-duty as duty, then Krishna raised the knowledge of scriptures written on his conscience in one stroke by saying अशोचान अन्वशोचास्ताम प्रज्ञावादाश्च भाषसे गतासून अगतासूश्च नानुशोचन्ति पंडितः. That is, you grieve for things that should not be grieved and talk like scholars. But those who are wise do not grieve for those who have died and those who have not died. Sadhak friends, now I would like to clarify here that on practicing the mantras, man is so entangled in the threefold illusion of the world of attachment, hatred, etc., that he is unable to recognize neither the nature of divine powers nor the nature of God. The reason is that the living being is bound in the sheath of food, mind, life, etc. How can he know the nature of divine powers and God beyond the five sheaths? Therefore, the inequality of spiritual level always remains. But this inequality starts moving towards inequality with the practice of Gayatri Mantra. My sadhak friends, the practitioner of Gayatri Mantra conquers his attachment and hatred and experiences that indestructible Sagun Paramatma in the entire living world, and soon becomes dear to that indestructible Sagun Paramatma. Friends, we meet again in this class of spirituality with a similar complex curiosity. Stay with me to know the ultimate secret of Gayatri Mahavigyan. Thank you. Namaskar.